So we will be making float and bottom fishing. I will fish with 2 fishing rods dedicated for method feeder, and one will be float fishing. So it will be more simple fishing trip. We will just be camping and resting. Before starting to fish, let's try to use deeper sonar. First of all, I let to find deeper all the satellites, and only one will cast. Okay, let's set up deeper. I will put 7. Let's see. It's a good sign. I see a lot of fish arches. So now we are casting approximately 30 meters. So first fishing rod already casted, and it's time for us to start assembling a tent. I will be honest with you, this is first time for me being outdoors with a tent. I never been sleeping in a tent before, so it will be first time for me. I think it's a perfect spot. I've chosen it for first time to check my equipment, to check my tent. And next time I think I will be fishing with my kayak in some sort of river, and we will be trying to catch some chubs and stay overnight. So I purchased this ground bite. It's already ready, you just need open, and that's it. You are ready to start fishing. As I said, I will use method feeder. It will be 30 grams right now. I think I will start with strawberry. Another fish one. I think so. Such a small bream. Eats. Okay, one more. Oh, something. Oh God, it's so hot. I'm already all wet. Oh, I have second fish on second fishing rod. So nice roach, guys. Let's quickly release him. Oh. So simple but easy and definitely tasty. Let's taste our meat. Very good. The only thing could be better is that sun could go away. I really hate warm days. I can't even stand the heat. As you see now, I'm sitting behind the tree. So I'm waiting for a sun to go down. It's time to try use deeper. Let's see what fishes are doing. Okay, we have a signal. I'm using my special band for phone, so it's really convenient. See a lot of fish moving on the top. No one is sitting on the bottom. Nothing interesting on the lake bed. Yeah, 20 meters, or is 3 meters, and 30 meters we have 3.5 meters, so it's okay. Let's try cast further. So approximately 40 meters, and we have 4 meters, so depth is constantly increasing. A lot of fish, but everything is on the top. We see some activities, of course, on the bottom. What is the most important for me is the lake bed. So I see very firm lake bed, and that's okay to me. So I will try cast approximately 35 meters. The main reason I decided to fish overnight and camp a bit is to rest after very long 3 months. I left my old job. I found a new one in a ship repair company. So for me everything is completely new. I never imagined that ship can have such a big amount of parts, and each of it has its own name, so it's really difficult. So, and second thing, I finally passed my PMP exam. So it was very long journey for me, many hours, hundreds of coffee drank. So finally, 1 month ago, I passed my PMP exam, and that's why I decided to make this a rewarding trip. Basically do nothing, just rest, eat some tasty meal, spend the first night on a fishing trip with a tent, sleep in the tent, first time in my life. So I almost 40 and I never slept in a tent before, so I decided to make this simple journey, spend the night in a tent, maybe catch some nice fishes, we will see. For now, 6, maybe 8 small breams and a couple roaches, and that's it. But you know, we are resting, we are making some rewarding meals, and sometimes we deserve to rest, regenerate your mind, and that's it. Just casted my floating fishing rod. Small roach. Not exactly what we're looking for. Another roach. Oh, I have something. A bit bigger roach. Ah, it's a bream. Okay. Maybe we will manage to catch a couple of them. It's so quiet. I have this lamp. It still didn't kill any mosquitoes or bugs. This one also not a best solution for mosquitoes, but it is what it is. I see we will have full moon, so night will be a bit more brighter. Oh, first kill. My lamb just killed one mosquito. Have a bite? Oh, we have something, but not big. Wow, biggest today's bream. Nice. Nice. Not big one, definitely not, but at least some action. Same size. So we already wake up. It is 4 a.m. So I slept a couple hours. What can I tell? Overall, everything is okay except two mistakes. I set up my tent incline, so I almost all night was sleeping down from mattress, and mattress is very hard, so it was very not comfortable to sleep. Overall, tent is very good, a lot of space. So let's get started fishing. So I had a bite. Let's wait for a second. Let's see what we have here. It doesn't look very big. Same fish. Up. I was packing a tent. That's also not big one. I will be lazy today a bit. I have last military ration that I need to use, so I decided to be a bit lazy, not to make pizza, but prepare ration military and boil some water. and cook some ramen as well. As always, we have this small bag. We need to put our ration. Add some water and just to reach that line. Add a small amount, very easy. Water started to boil. Yes, as always, looks more like cat food. So, first attempt. Food is warm. Chicken is quite tasty. Buckwheat also tastes quite good. So what can I tell, guys? We spent the first our night in a tent. I slept all night. So my plan to rest, I think, is going in a good direction. I first time in my life spent night in a tent overnight. It was interesting experience, and you know, when you're not used to sleep in a tent in a nature, it seems that someone is walking around, some strange noises, etc., you know. But about 20 minutes I get used to it, understood that no one is walking around. One more bream. So guys, I think we had a wonderful time in the nature. We spent all night in this fishing spot. We caught a lot of breams. Unfortunately, they were small, but still quality time, very good weather. We ate some tasty meal, so I think this fishing trip was quite successful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press like and subscribe button. And for now, thanks for watching and see you next time.